Hey YouTube, what's up? So, I have never in my life seen a video on how to install and so forth Furious Gold Unlock, the world famous unlock, supposedly. So I'm going to show you a tutorial on how to install everything. Then we'll go on over to the computer, do the software. Hopefully this will sort everything out because I've seen a shit ton of questions about this stuff. So let's get her going. I'm just going to move this shit over and then we'll start. As you can see, I got my package right here in the mail, GPG Industries. So I'll get a look at that. It came DHL. Took a little longer than expected. Took about 3 weeks to get here. But whatever. There's the BlackBerry and HTC dongle. It's not actually a little smaller than I expected, but however. Yeah, GPG Industries, original packaging. There's the dongle. I can't really get too close to this. Alright, let's check this out. Alright, let's see if we can get a good shot at this. Furious Gold. That's it. Alright, so we're going to go over here and get our Furious Light box. There's the box. You can't steal this activation code, so don't even try, it won't work. It generates when you use the maintenance tool. That's it. I've already opened it because just to speed the video up a little bit. But yeah, there's 4 screws. Just take your handy screwdriver, just unscrew them, open it up, and then you'll pull out this puppy. This is just the logic board for the USB to the serial data port for if you're using like a cable unlock, but we're just going to do BlackBerries, so you can just use the regular USB port. And what you do is take your Furious Gold dongle, if you have this box. If you don't have the box, just plug this guy straight into the computer, but I have the actual box because I purchased a 2-pack from funphoneshop.com, two replacement boxes. I bought those guys for, I think it came to $80 Canadian for the both, which is alright. So in case one of them breaks, I always got a backup. But what we're going to do is, you're going to take this guy, put your thumb in the nail, right there on the crack of this thing, rip her right open. It's not going to break, it's just shitty Chinese plastic, it's fine. And that is your famous unlock piece right there. A little processor, just a little bit of soldering. You're going to take that and you're going to plug it into the internal USB port in your card reader. It's a little tricky to get in there because there's nothing to grab onto, but you're just going to take that. Maybe use your thumbnail and just kind of push it in. One second, it just got stuck. There you go, so you just do that. It should look like this when you're done. It's all plugged in. I actually just used the piece right here to just kind of brace up against the back of the USB port and just kind of pushed it up. So that's it, so you just take this guy, put it back in on the tracks. There's 2 sets of tracks right here. You just do this, you line it up, and then you just give her a little push. She should slop right in just like that. Take this guy, put it back on over top, and we're going to put our screws back on. So this part you can just skip over if you want. I'm not going to edit it out, I'm too lazy to. So you just do that, and then you grab this one. Make sure to keep the plastic from the USB port, right, just guys, in case you ever want to switch out of the box now. And just go straight back to the USB piece. Turn down the TV a little bit. And we're gonna finish setting up the Furious Gold box. So this is what we got so far. This is after we've put the card piece in, reassembled it. It's all ready to go. So we're just going to put this camera down for a second. So, what we're going to do is we're going to take our box, grab the USB cable. This guy is just a regular USB cable port. This one actually didn't come with the box, I just had this one in my basement. That's what it looks like. You're going to take this guy and then just plug it right into there, just like that. Put the box down, take the USB plug, jam it in your port. Computer's going to recognize it. This is the retardedly tricky part. This is what pretty much no one tells you how to do this, is the install the actual drivers itself. Because, I don't know, Furious Gold is just fucking ridiculous. But, so, you install it. If you're running, this is Windows 7. If you're running Vista, it'll be the same platform. If you're running XP, it'll be a little different, but still along the same lines. XP, it should show up saying like, do you want to install drivers, blah blah blah. You click yes, I want to install drivers. You can let Windows install the drivers first for you, just so the dongle actually becomes activated and like it actually registers and it'll show up on the driver menu. So what we're going to do is after that, we plug it in, we get the drivers. We're going to do the drivers now. We got smart card driver. This is for the XP. Should look like that. You just right click and click install. That's all you have to do. But we're on Vista today, or no, we're on Windows 7, so that's not going to work for us. So what we got to do, we go to start, go to computer, right click, go to properties, and then you'll get this big window pops up right here. Go to device manager, and you should get this drop down picture of all the shit that's on your computer. Anything that has a USB or anything like that that you can plug into, this is where it'll be. So your device should show up in the human interfaces devices as a mass storage device. I've already switched mine over, so you won't see it here, but this is what you do. But find mass storage device, just say USB, whatever. Right click it, click update drivers. You'll get the screen. How do you want to search for your drivers? Search automatically, which lets Windows do it, or do it yourself. Go to browse for software. Click let me pick from a list. And then this is where you direct it. It'll show you what it is, device, whatever. It'll say mass storage device. Click have disk. You'll get prompt with this menu. After this, go to browse. And then shoot your drivers. You want to load up, I'm on a 64-bit platform, so I'm not sure you guys are running. If you guys are running a 32, then use a 32. If you're using 62 or 64, use 64. So we're going to open up the 64-bit content. It should look like this. Let's just zoom in there and get a picture of that. You have your AMD 64 and your i86 or 386. You want to go to the FTDI bus, and then that's what you want to use. You want to click that, and then you want to click open. And when you click open, it'll send you back to this screen right here. You click OK, let it install, it'll redo it, and then you gotta reboot the computer. Once you've rebooted, everything should be alright. If you have any questions, just contact me. And then you're gonna run the Furious Gold update. It'll look like this. It'll say select the language to install. Just go through that, install everything. You don't have to go through that with you because it's just straightforward. You just press next, next, next. Once it installs, you will get this, the list of all the softwares that we can use for phones. And then you want to go down and you want to go to maintenance. Right click maintenance. Run as administrator. Don't just open it. Run it as administrator. You're going to get this. Furious Gold USB by gsmhack.eu. This is your Furious Gold. When you first start, you have to click Get License and then click Execute. I'm not going to do it because I've already done it, but that's what you have to do. Once that executes, you drag the bin key right there. That's what you'll get. You want to drag that into the folder along with all the softwares that have the low radioactive symbol. You want to drag that in there, leave it there. You also want to drag, when you download the maintenance, drag the whole maintenance package into this as well. Don't have separate folders all over your fucking computer because it's just going to fuck everything up. You also need to have your system file
which comes alongside the Maintenance Pro when you download it. You have that all in here as well. So you'll have the branding, the drivers, the FTID, smart card, and then TPA. Once you got that, you use your Maintenance Pro update. You go on the website, and you just type your information. You'll get an email back from them saying like, congratulations, your box is uploaded, have fun. Next, you want to go to firmware update. This is what you use when you want to shoot a package. When you want to do package 1 for LG products, package 2 for I think it's Samsung, package 3 I forget what that is, I haven't actually done it yet, and then package 4 is BlackBerry, and then 6 is HTC. If you want to do BlackBerry, you click modules, you click number 4, and then you click firmware update, and then what that does is it loads in to the box. It loads in the key software so you can run the program. For every phone, if you're going from BlackBerry to LG, you need to open up maintenance and you have to switch your model packs. You can't have simultaneous packs on the box running at once. It won't work. So do that, and then once you're done, close out of that. If you want to close, say yes. Go to your BlackBerry, which is right here. Right click again. Run as administrator. Click yes. You get prompted with this menu. Once that's done, it'll load up. There's your BlackBerry screen. That's all you got to do. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to message me on YouTube. Just post them in the comments and I'll answer everything. I got this shit on lock and key. Alright, take care guys.